Hello, welcome back. So I made some more of these like your own minifigures in the Lego store. It's really nice because they have some like sports minifigures this month. So I bought 3 minifigures. So let's see what I chose. So there was no like soccer player. There was like a soccer referee, but it's not a soccer player. But anyway, I bought the soccer like referee and cyclist and also like this swimmer. No, not the swimmer, the baseball player, sorry. So this is the soccer referee and she's wearing a very nice looking orange t-shirt and of course she has a whistle and I love her hairstyle and I think she's trying to see if like it's offside or something like that. Yeah, so she's holding this screen over here like that. And let's see the other minifigures. So the next one is the baseball player. So he's wearing like white clothes and like B for baseball. And he's smiling like this. And he's wearing a blue cap. And he has like this map of like this playing like this place baseball, and this is the cyclist and he is sweating all over because it must be really hot. And I love that bicycle helmet because I never had one of those bicycle helmets before. It looks super awesome and it looks like he's holding a bottle of water, I think. Yeah, anyway, so this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.